Bring it on!
Do you know who ate all the donuts? Yes. Excuse me, Gordon, but I'm rather busy now. Why are you asking me? Stop attacking! He's a friend! Get back! My goodness! No, don't go that way. Don't be ridiculous. My God, what are you doing? Are you insane? Oh!
What are you trying to do? This is all happening because of you scientists. Hey, what did I ever do to you? You aren't scared, are you? You're gonna wish you hadn't done that. Hey! Ah!
Oh, my. Shut up. Freeman, you fool! As I expected. If you let us all die, Freeman, you'll never get out of here. No! Ah!
Freeze! All right, let's go for it.
Well, do you have any idea what to do next? It can't get any worse than this.
Hey! Eat this, you bastard! Die, you bloodsucker!
No! I don't want to die!
Got one. Man, did you see that shot? Hey, catch me later, I'll buy you a beer.
Well, I think it's rather stimulating. Don't you? Sorry, I'm leaving now.